Hey there everyone, welcome to Valid's channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue of your graphics card not being fully utilized in games. I've found two solutions for this. The first one, actually there could be three. The first of course is to update your graphics card drivers, because if your drivers are old they might not really enhance the game, so they might fail to unleash the game's full potential. Some drivers are released specifically for certain games. For example, when Cyberpunk was released, nvidia came out with new drivers for it. Right, now the second method, and AMD does the same. The second way is to go into Settings, then System, scroll down and click on About the System. Here click Advanced System Settings. And here there's an option, it's Performance. Oh wait, no, it's Performance. Right, Efficiency. Click Settings. And here we choose Adjust for best performance, right? Then click Apply. Windows will become more basic, less animated, but your video card performance will improve slightly. Okay, the second thing you'll do is type Graphics or Graphics Settings in the Start menu. This is where you'll see your applications. And for example, I'll choose a game. Let's just say it's Euro Truck. Click here and select High Performance, which is high performance for your video card and optimization for the game in windowed mode. You can switch it on or off as you prefer. See what works best for your game. That's it. This was Valor. Bye everyone.